Zhejiang Meto Electrical Company Limited, founded in 2009, is a modern enterprise professionally manufacturing ANSI meter socket, load center, drop fuse cutout, polymer insulator, lightning arrestor, high voltage isolating switch, insulation piercing clamp, power line fittings, and electrical accessories. After 10 years' tireless efforts, Meto had owned modern standard workshop, more than 8,000 square meters, with 1,000 square meters office area. We had passed German DECA, ISO 9001, quality management system. Products have DECRA test report and CE certificate. Our company has a mature complete testing equipment with temperature rise tester, salt spraying tester, power frequency high voltage tester, mechanical testing, impulse voltage tester, high voltage DC generator, AC leakage current tester, lightning arrestor tester, galvanizing tester, loop resistance tester, hardness meter flammability tester, aging test device, and so on. 30 sets testing equipment. Our products are produced with mature and advanced technology. Then after rigorous testing to ensure delivery qualified products to our customers. At present, our products have been distributed to North America, Latin America, South America, Southeast Asia, Middle East and Africa, more than 40 countries, such as USA, Canada, the Philippines, Saudi Arabia, Dominican Republic, Ecuador, Jamaica, Vietnam, Nigeria, and Zambia. We have increasing researched and developed various new products every year. Meto Electrical will continuously inherit the enterprise culture. We all staff are expecting cooperation and advance with you, co-building a professional, safe, reliable industry